How to log into your Amazon Prime Video account. So let's get started. Firstly, launch any web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc. according to your preferences. So here I am using Chrome web browser. Then on the search address bar, visit the official website of Amazon Prime Video. Then once you tap on the Amazon Prime Video, you will get to see Amazon Prime Video sign up option available at the top. Simply tap on it and navigate to its website. Once you're inside the Amazon Prime Video website, you can see Prime Video member sign in option available there. Tap on it. Then you'll be prompted to enter your Amazon account email or phone number. After entering your email, all you have to do is click continue, and on the next screen, enter your password and click sign in option available there. Once logged in, you will be redirected to Prime Video where you can browse and stream content. So that is it. If you don't have an Amazon Prime or Prime Video account, then you can click the start your free trial or create your Amazon account link on the sign in page and follow the instructions to create an account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.